Here you go, Dodge Brothers truck fans. Beautiful, beautiful 37 Dodge pickup here at Englewood, Florida Cars and Coffee. Let's zoom in on this front plaque so we can get the information on the vehicle. I was at this event and I remember seeing the truck there. It's beautiful. 218 cubic inch frame off reconstruction in 2007. Wow. And for this gentleman's first try, what a home run. Let's swing around and take a look at the engine and the detail on that. It's got the original engine in there. 218 cubic inch Dodge. Look at that. It's got a modern alternator on it, which I don't blame them. That runs everything a lot better. But everything is stock, beautiful. And examining the design and style on these vehicles from back in these days is just amazing. Big fat fenders on them. Let's have a look at the interior. I don't doubt that it's probably as beautiful as the rest of the truck. And sure enough, it is. Yep, very Spartan, very utilitarian, typical Dodge for 37, I guess. But the Dodge brothers were an interesting guys. They came up working, building axles for Ford and doing other components for automotive manufacturers. And then they decided to go into business for themselves. And I believe it was around 1919. Both the brothers died within a year of each other from the flu, which was going around at that time. John and Horace Dodge, the Dodge brothers. And as the company got into receivership after they died, it went to some other company that was a holding company. And then Walter P. Chrysler came in and picked up the company and bought Dodge. And that's how you get Dodge folded into Chrysler. Walter P. Chrysler bought the company, and he said it was one of the best purchases that he had ever made. And there is no doubt about that. So, let's take another look. Oh, yeah. Even the spare looks beautiful. Paint is wonderful, and the color choices are awesome. So there you have it. The Ram and the Dodge brothers with the Star of David. Some people conjecture that they were Jewish, but others put in that they had the star on there because they were Freemasons. Well, whatever the case, they made beautiful trucks, and here it is for history. There you go, Dodge, Dodge truck fans. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.